This channel is about working on aircraft and flying those airplanes. So come take a seat and let's go for a flight. That's wrong. See, the propeller area is clear!
Same field airport information, Echo 2053 Zulu observation, wind 1404, visibility 10, U clouds 2,700, ceiling 7,000 broken, temperature 3, dew point -3, altimeter 3018. Visual approach currently in use, landing and departing, runway 16 left and 16 right. Hazardous weather information for Western Washington available on flight service frequencies. Advise on this call if you have information, Echo.
So as we let the engine warm up here on a rather cool, chilly day, 3 degrees centigrade, which isn't a whole lot of anything, and we're just going to go up and do some pattern work. I just want to get up and, number one, get current, but more importantly, I want to be proficient. So we're just going to get up and on the pattern here for a little bit, get the engine warmed up, and we're going to do an oil change later on, because she needs it. Now, one thing I haven't published since the last time I flew, which was, I believe that one was titled Gusty Rusty, which again, rusty again, but today's not a gusty day. Since that flight and this current flight, I tried to go up and my little push to talk button here failed to activate the radio. I went all through the pre-flight, got everything ready, engine was started, I pulled up to the line, I'm gonna talk to the tower, nothing. And in that Gusty Rusty, actually I didn't say, I put up a title that said, of things to come. And what ended up happening was I thought it was the switch that was bad, and then I thought it was the wiring that was bad here behind the switch, but actually it was the wiring going underneath the panel. So when I would pull back on the yoke, it would put pressure on this pigtail, and it slowly just worked away the splice that grounds the microphone so that you can talk out. After fixing that and taking apart the tail wheel and making sure everything was okay there, and that video, hopefully that video is already up before I talk about it. Now, we will now go up and do some pattern work. It's going to be kind of boring, but well, I think we'll get some really good shots of how well the tail wheel is working. Today is about getting current and making sure everything is kosher with the airplane. Alright. So, in addition to working on this repair for the wire, I also installed a remote push-to-talk switch down here, and all it does is it just ties into the squawk box and gives me another push-to-talk in case something ever fails on this again, so nice little backup.
Good afternoon, Paying Grounds. Denson 9250 Kilos East Condos, request a pattern work with Echo. Stinson 9250 Kilo, Paying Ground, runway 16 left, taxi via Foxtrot. 16 left via Foxtrot for Stinson 9250 Kilo.
Tell you what, I am really, it took a little while to get used to the looseness of the chains, because it made the steering really crisp. As soon as you pushed on the rudder, man, it was starting to turn. The downside to that is it made for a lot of adjustments. So you were constantly moving back and forth on the runners. But we're still going to kind of angle in over here at general direction. Still have a little bit of oil temperature to come up. And while I'm on the ground here, I'm going to make sure I got some carb heat going in. Rather cool and humid today. Actually, it's always humid here in Seattle. But especially on these cold days, you really have to be mindful of carb temperature. Turn right on around.
Paying Ground, cargo November 34612 Central Fueling, request taxi West Hangars.
Cardinal 34612, Paying Ground, you taxi West Hangars via Charlie Juliet Alpha Hotel 1.
Charlie Juliet Alpha Hotel 1, 34612.
Alright, let's go over to the tower, and we are just right at 150.
November 991, right at Golf 3, if enabled, and disregard, contact ground. contact ground 67901.
Thanks for your help.
Nope. November 72 X-ray, runway 16 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 16 left, 72 X-ray, thank you.
Paint Tower, Stinson 9250 Kilo at Fox 1, we're ready to go in sequence.
Stinson 9250 Paint Tower, roger. Number 72 X-ray, left downwind departure to the north approved, runway 16 left, cleared for takeoff.
3072 X-ray, 16 left, taking off.
Stinson 50 Kilo, left close traffic approved, runway 16 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, let's close traffic for Stinson 50 Kilo.
1616. Wheels down. Power 7. No flap takeoff. And we're climbing at 80. Factor 700. How'd I do? Oh, pretty good. Made on the center line. 100 feet to go. Power back. Gotta feel the wind up here.
Stinson 50 Kilo, runway 16 left, cleared for the option.
Cleared for the option, 16 left, 50 Kilo.
There we go. First notch. Now beam the numbers. Second notch. Down to 200 feet here. Maps. Vertical at control. Full power. Feel like a go around.
November 72 X-ray, cruise change for 6.
Climbing 70.
72 X-ray.
Drop the nose a little bit. 100 feet. See if I can adjust my aim point.
Paint Tower, this is 1664 Charlie, ready for touch and go.
Cessna 1664 Charlie, Paint Tower. Traffic follows the stints and that's turn left crossing now. Left close traffic approved, runway 16 left, cleared for takeoff.
Left closed, traffic approved, 16 left, cleared for takeoff, 1664 Charlie.
Number 50 Kilo, traffic 1 position, extend downwind on call base.
Alright, we're extending our downwind for 50 Kilo. We'll wait for the call on the base.
50 Kilo base turn good discretion, runway 16 left, clear touch to go.
Alright, base my discretion, 50 Kilo.
Taxi back 50 kilo. 50 kilo. Please turn left or right next taxi, contact ground. Alright, Fox 3, and you mind if I stay with you? I'm staying in the pattern. 50 kilo, runway 16 left, taxi Foxtrot, maintenance frequency. Via Foxtrot, stay with you, 50 kilo. Sense 50 kilo, Ping Tower, stand by for landing traffic. 50 kilo, left close traffic approved, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff. Cleared for left close traffic, 50 kilo.
November 50 kilo, follow traffic, short final, runway 16 left, clear touch and go.
Okay, cleared touch and go, 16 left, 50 kilo. I'm just going to extend my downwind just a little bit for more space.
November 50 kilo, roger.
And tower 50 kilo, we're going to try to make this the last one.
November 50 kilo, did you want a full stop or one more touch and go?
Full stop right here.
November 50 kilo, runway 16 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 16 left, 50 kilo.
Brakes yet. Nice and slow.
50 kilos off at Fox 3.
November 50 kilo, taxi parking via Foxtrot, maintenance frequency.
50 kilo with you, and have a good day. And Paint Tower, 50 kilo out. How is the quality on the radio transmissions today?
November 50 kilo, loud and clear.